Hello, good evening. This is Shak. Right. Thought on this is my third video for the day. I'm planning to do a variation, so I might not take more time on Alumex. So I might couple it with a few more shares just to give you a brief snapshot of what I'm expecting on each counter. I think I have elaborated quite a lot about Alumex. Might see through 1750 probably, and the reversal may take back again to our resistant point here. A very nice pattern going on right now. There's the low of 17 we witnessed, and then we saw a slight pullback, and then we were seeing again testing the resistance, and then the price is settling down back again around 18. So I'm very bullish on this share, simply because of the commodity prices are down, and then the aluminium prices will be stable. This is what the people are expecting, so there could be stable raw material prices for people to import, and that should give a great opportunity for countries like Sri Lanka, because we are in into a construction sector boom. So possibility of Alumex and related manufacturing companies into construction will have more opportunity. Plus, Alumex is not only they import, but they also have plans for exports. So that should have some incentives coming for from the new government. So it's a mixed bag of everything. So I'm bullish. Hopefully I would like to see this Alumex trading well above 20 rupees. Hopefully the quarterly reports will give us some opportunity for this to get a push. That's about Alumex. Well, I'm gonna look at another one of my favorites. That's Lifin, LB Finance. I was talking about this particular share in my posts, and I was telling, look at the Lifin. It's not still in the right range for us to enter, and what we saw today is from a 120 to 125, a 5 rupee plus gain, and that's a bullish candle. So we might see some kind of a retracement coming in back to around maybe 125, 122.50. That'll be good enough for for us to re-enter if one is looking out for an easy target of around 130.35. Now that 135 would be our first target, because we have a low of 115 to a depth of around 20. Okay, so we have a target of 20 on the breakout. That should give us an opportunity to test 150, which is here. So that should be very interesting. So very bullish on LB Finance. Hopefully it will have a great quarterly report that could give further opportunity for the buyers to get interested. So today was one of the days that I witnessed the buy side has been filling up with good trade volumes, and people should look at LB Finance as well, and ensure that they got some percentage of LB Finance in their portfolios. That's about Lifin. I'm planning to look at another one in the same sector. Let's look at Singer Finance, and then let's look at PLC as well. Wow, looking at this, I think it was started moving around 24.50, and we might see a bump and run kind of thing. This is what we've seen here on the share. Bump on this 150 and then started going up, and then we're seeing bumping and a bump and run kind of pattern here. Great opportunity here as well to test the last highs of around 28. Probably the breakout, successful breakout around 28 could give us an opportunity, a 5 rupees target closer to 35 or slightly below 35. So that should give an opportunity for Singer Finance. So do watch this counter as well. It's giving the signs of great opportunity in the near term. We can draw something here. Like to draw the support line here. Okay, so this should be our support line. That's 24. So below 24 you sell basically. If you're an aggressive trader, or if you are looking for some momentum going on, let's put it like this. So we got a breakout to take place around 26 for a target 28, and to go up and way above 28, and to close around 34, 35 range or 33 range for the trade to close. So if you're looking for a target, we have 24 to 26, so that should give us a target around here, 28 precisely. So that's about Singer Finance. Finally, got something here for People's Leasing Finance, PLC. Okay, let's look at this chart. We saw almost coming closer to 20.50, and we might see a pullback coming, a retracement coming this way. So from 20.50 it moved almost 1 rupee up today. So and good volumes, it seems though. Technically, we are looking for a reversal to take place. Let's have a look. If I remember, we drew this pitchfork tool. Let us take it and see how it goes. Wow, awesome. So we were into the halfway of the lowest channel. Lucky was expecting a 20 touch, but it seemed that it has started retracing it back. So we might see testing around 22.50, 23 later on in the coming period or coming days, for a nice target of around 25.50. So that should be respecting the upper trend channel around 25.50. Hopefully, if we see a breakout, then we can say the bearish sentiments have been faded away, and it's all in the hands of bulls there onwards. So we are looking for testing of this one, and we can safely assume once the share start trading 26 plus, that the bear scenario has been faded away. That's it. I think I have time, and hopefully I'll try to cover a few more shares as time permits. This is Shark for the Equity Check, and hopefully you'll have a great day ahead tomorrow. Loads of good news came up today. BFL Baira Farms had a fantastic result. so people must be eagerly waiting on that one. So and of course with by Raha might see Gran and 3 Acres Farms all trading or in good volumes, hopefully anticipating the quarterly results for the other two poultry sector companies. Apart from that, I'm looking forward for non-bank financial sectors also to perform well. We saw it today. LB Finance, PLC, and Singer Finance are trading well, and let's hope that good times are ahead. This is Shark for the Equity Check. See you again on another video. Until then, signing off for the Equity Forum.